Hello, my dear students. So, now the content is on the degree of responsibility attitudes. So, just like any abstract quantity, responsibility also has an entire range of degrees. In other words, there are people who should shoulder a responsibility only to the minimum extent possible, and in other words, there are people who should actually handle the responsibility only to the minimum extent possible, and there are people who go way beyond expectations in meeting the responsibilities. But this range can be generally classified into three basic attitudes towards the responsibility. They are briefly discussed as under. The first one is the minimalist view attitude of responsibility. Now, people having this view accept responsibility only to the bare minimum. It's his job, not mine. It's not my fault. That's not my problem. I wouldn't know that, etc. are the kind of remarks that can be heard among people who have the minimalist view. This view focuses on the negative approach to responsibility, and responsibility here is linked with the idea of individual fault or blame and interpreted in narrow legalistic terms. Avoidance of blame or staying out of trouble is the main concern of the people. People at work, especially in government and public sector, have this kind of a attitude. So this is the minimalist view where people are actually staying away from the responsibility. Then the next one is reasonable care attitude of responsibility. People with reasonable care attitude show higher degree of responsibility than with the people who show minimalist view. So while people having minimalist view are more concerned about what will happen to them if they cause harm to others, people will respond if they cause harm to others. People with reasonable care attitude are more concerned about the people who are harmed. In other words, people with reasonable care attitude show higher responsibility in discharging their duties, and there is reasonableness and a moral basis for all their actions. Friends, close relatives, work attitude of responsibility. This is the highest degree of responsibility shown rarely by people. People having good work attitude go above and beyond the call of duty in executing responsibilities. In fact, they go beyond their normal obligations and duties. They take on such responsibilities and do such work that no one expected them to do. And if they did not do these things, no one would fault them. They take on such responsibility and do such a work that no one would actually expect them to do. And it's a high degree of responsibility. So these are the three degrees of responsibility which I have explained y'all, and I hope y'all are clear with the concept. That is, first one is the minimalist view where the responsibility is avoided. Second one is reasonable care where actually it is comparatively more compared to the minimalist view, that is you are responsible enough in a moderate way, whereas good work is something where you are highly responsible and you go beyond the call of duty. So these are the attitude and the degrees of responsibility, and see you all soon in the next video with the new content. Thank you.